Hello, this is Sean with Wash Dry Fold POS. I want to show you an exciting new feature to our system that I helped build, called the Repairs page. This is a whole new section of our software that lets you submit, view, edit, and track machine repair tickets. To get to the Repairs page, open the sidebar menu and select Repairs. When the page loads, enter your PIN. Let's look at this as an attendant. If you're an attendant, the system assumes you're in a store and want to submit a new repair ticket for some sort of machine malfunction, so it'll automatically take you to the submission form. Simply select the machine in question and describe what's going wrong with it. The form requires at least 20 characters to ensure you're giving an adequate description of the symptoms. The Preview and Submit button has changed from gray to blue, so now we can select it. The repair ticket preview shows us what the automated email that gets sent to admins and or managers will look like. More on that in just a little bit. Select Submit, and the attendant will be taken to a list of all the repair tickets that have been entered, including their own. To go back to the submission form, use the toggle button near the top. There are a lot of filters available up top to narrow down what repair ticket you'd like to look at, but there are a few in particular I'd like to point out. The store dropdown will be set to your device's current store by default, but you can look at any of the other stores your employee profile is set to have access to. The machine position dropdown lets you see the repair history for a particular machine in your store. If the list is too big for you to find the machine, you can filter both the list and the dropdown by selecting a machine type. This entries row doesn't give us all the information. To see more details about a particular repair ticket, select the View Details button to the right of the entry. This view will also allow you to add a note to the ticket, edit the ticket status, and if you're an admin or manager, delete notes or even the ticket itself if need be. Let's see what that looks like by switching our user over to an admin or manager. When an admin or manager enters their PIN, it'll automatically take you to the repair tickets list, because that's what it's assuming you want to see. You can still access the submission form with the toggle button near the top. When we go back to the repair ticket details, we can now see a Delete Repair Ticket button and a Delete Note button. Let's change the repair ticket status. The change gets added as another ticket note, so we can see who changed the ticket status and when. If we change the ticket status to repaired or could not replicate, it'll ask us for a little more information about what we did. After we select Submit, that information gets saved as a ticket note. This way, you'll be able to use the repairs page to track a machine's repair history. Looking at the repair ticket list as an admin or manager, you'll notice that we now have a couple of shortcuts. One to go to the equipment setup page, in case you need to change any info for a particular machine or model, and one to go to the employees page. Links to both of these can also be found by selecting the gear icon in the far upper right. Let's edit an employee so that they can receive an email every time a new repair ticket is submitted for a store they have access to. Let's say this Sean Henderson guy has been promoted to manager. Hey, that's me. Congrats. I now want to receive repair ticket emails so that I can forward them to my repair guy, whoever that might be. First of all, I need to have a valid email address entered into my profile. When I change my role to manager, you'll see another checkbox has appeared, Receive Repair Ticket Emails. I'll select it and save. Now I'll get new repair ticket emails for my Main Street store. That's everything for now. If you have an idea for the repairs page, are having difficulty using or navigating it, or need to report a bug, please submit feedback to us by selecting the feedback from the sidebar menu and submitting this form. Thank you so much for watching.